Delivering a powerful clean whilst caring for your clothes thanks to the diamond embossed drum, this Samsung washer dryer will make doing the laundry easy. Ecobubble creates penetrative bubbles by combining air, water and detergent. They get into your laundry and effectively remove stains whilst allowing you to wash at a cooler temperature, so you can save energy without compromising on performance. The clever AddWash door allows you to add extra items to the cycle, so long as the drum temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius. Whether it's some extra fabric softener or a sock you accidentally missed, you can enjoy the flexibility to add to the wash during the wash. A 30-minute bubble soak can be added to any of your preferred wash programs. It's designed to loosen and lift stains from any material, leaving your clothes clean and spotless. With a quiet performance that causes less vibration, you'll barely notice when this Samsung washer dryer is active, great for those who like to run a cycle during the evening.